Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Have you tried Bolani? It's a popular pashto flatbread with filling. This recipe has a yummy potato filling that is enjoyed by everyone. You will love this easy Afghani aloo paratha recipe. I know it. Do subscribe for easy, tried and tested recipes. To make the dough, 2 cups of Maida, all-purpose flour, or you could use whole wheat flour in its place. Season it with half teaspoon salt. Mix it up. A tablespoon of oil. Mix. And that's all we are going to add to the flour. Some recipes of Bolani use yeast, but this recipe is the simplest version. Add water little at a time and knead a medium dough. Knead it for 2 to 3 minutes until you get a smooth dough that is not too soft. Cover it and let it rest for at least 15 minutes. For the filling, let's chop up some spring onions, and some coriander, heat a pan and add in a bit of oil, say a teaspoon, and then about a tablespoon of butter. You could add just a tablespoon of oil and make the filling. I am adding butter to enhance the taste. Let that melt. And then add in the green onion and a chopped red onion. If you have more of the green onion, go ahead and add more of it. Tiny bit of salt. Once you get the slight fried onion smell, turn off the heat and add in the chopped coriander. Mix it well. Four boiled potatoes. These are medium-sized potatoes, and I'll just mash them up. Add in the onion and coriander mixture. Coriander powder, a teaspoon. Turmeric powder, maybe a large pinch. Chili flakes according to your taste. Freshly cracked black pepper. And salt to taste. Give it a mix. You could have just added the onion and coriander directly into the potato without cooking it. Some recipes have it that way, but I feel that cooking them slightly enhances their flavor. And that is ready. Keep it to a side. The dough has been rested. Knead it lightly and divide it into 6 or 8 portions. Time to roll them out. You could roll them out. Use a bit of flour if required to help with the rolling. I'm happy with that. It's quite thin. I'll keep this to a side and roll out the rest of them. So once the flatbread has been rolled out, we have to fill it with the potato filling we made earlier. Now there are two ways to fold it. I mean, the most common ways are put the filling in and just fold it in half. So the half moon shape, this is the easiest one to do, or you could do a triangle fold. Like this. So keep a bit of water close by. Place a generous amount of the filling and spread it out. So with wet fingertips, apply a bit of water along the edge to seal the filling inside the bread. Fold it over, match the edge. And press to seal. This one is ready. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up. Send me your feedback when you try it. Hot tawa. Stir nice and crispy on this side. You could shallow fry it, but I like to just coat it with oil. Cook till it's nice and crusty and has got a light color all over it. That looks done. Take it off the heat. The next one. Cut them in half. Perfect for breakfast, tea time, or in a lunch box. That looks really nice. Serve the bolani with some chutney, pickle, or plain yogurt. Enjoy!